today's video, we are going to discuss a concept which is variables in JavaScript. What are actually variables? So variables are actually like containers in which you can store data. It can be any type of data. Now in JavaScript, while declaring a variable, you do not need to declare the data type of that variable. Like for instance in Java, if you want to store some integer, then you need to write int, then whatever the name, and then you can assign. But in JavaScript, you can assign any value to any variable without giving it a data type. Now previously there was only one keyword for declaring a variable in JavaScript, which is var or var, whatever you want to call it. But after the new update, the ES6 JavaScript update, there are two more keywords that we can use, that is let and const. So we'll see each and every one step by step. So variable or var as you call it, I can declare it like this, where a equals apple and a semicolon. So over here I did not have to include a string like stra while for apple. In the similar way, I can write where b equals 23 and it holds valid. Now, what is the actual difference between where, let, and const? Now, const, as the name suggests, once the value has been set in a const variable, then it cannot be changed anytime during the execution of the program. And let, let's say let something equals, I'll say 90. Now let is a type of variable which can be used only for a restricted scope. That is, you can use let, you can define a variable as let where when you want that variable to be available only for a particular function. That is, if you want it to act as a local variable, in short. But if you want a variable to be used as a global variable, then you should use the where keyword. So this is the major difference between these keywords. Hope you understood it.